Chapter 1: Introduction: From Operation to Victory. In the previous video, you took a giant leap. You moved from theory to action and successfully set up your first Hyra AI node. Your node is online, connected, and part of the global revolution in decentralized AI. Congratulations on that significant first step. But let me be clear, getting your node up and running is just the starting line. The real question, the one that separates casual participants from professionals, is this: how do you operate a profitable node? How do you maximize income, improve efficiency, and turn your participation in the train-to-earn economy into a truly worthwhile job? Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. This is not a beginner's guide. This is your advanced masterclass. Over the next 30 minutes, we will explore professional tips, tricks, and strategies to optimize every aspect of node operation, from hardware selection to operational strategy, ensuring you get the most benefit from your contribution to the Hyra AI network. It's time to move from operating to winning. Chapter 2: The Profit Equation: Understanding Your Income Drivers. Before diving into specific tips, we need to understand the basics. Your profit as a node operator is governed by a simple equation: profit equals rewards minus costs. Our goal today is to maximize the rewards side and minimize the costs side. Let's analyze the rewards part first. It's not just about being online. Your rewards are mainly determined by two factors. 1. The tasks you complete. The Hyra AI network is a marketplace. Not all computational tasks are created equal. A simple data verification task may pay a small reward, while a complex AI model training task lasting several days and requiring high-end GPUs will pay significantly more. Your hardware directly affects which tasks you qualify for. 2. Your reputation score. This is arguably the most important long-term factor. Think of it as your credit score on the Hyra network. The network's coordination protocol is designed to assign the most valuable tasks to the nodes it trusts the most. How is it calculated? Your score increases with each successfully completed task and every hour of stable uptime. It decreases if you fail to complete an assigned task, provide inaccurate results, or have significant downtime. A high reputation score is your golden ticket to better earnings. On the other side of the equation, we have costs. Hardware costs, your initial investment in your PC or Mac. Electricity costs, this is your main ongoing operational expense. We will dive deeper into managing this cost. Understanding this equation is the first step to thinking like a professional node operator. Chapter 3: Optimizing Hardware, Sharpening the Right Tools. Let's get into hardware. This is the supply side of your business, and having the right tools is crucial. Tip 1: GPU is king. For the Hyra AI network, especially for the highest-paying train-to-earn tasks, your graphics processing unit, GPU, is the most important component. Why? Because modern AI, especially machine learning and deep learning, runs exponentially faster on GPUs compared to CPUs. A node with a modern, powerful NVIDIA or AMD GPU with at least 12 116 GB VRAM will qualify for the most profitable tasks. If you're serious about maximizing profits, this is where you should invest. Tip 2: Don't overlook CPU and RAM. While the GPU is the star for AI tasks, the CPU and RAM are essential supporting actors. Your CPU handles general node operations, communications, and many smaller tasks. Needless DC, we recommend at least 16 GB of RAM, ideally 32 GB. Insufficient RAM can create bottlenecks, causing task failures even if you have a strong GPU. A failed task negatively impacts your reputation score. Tip 3: A stable connection is non-negotiable. Your internet connection is the lifeline to the network. The issue is not just speed, it's stability. Use a wired Ethernet connection, not Wi-Fi. It's faster, more stable, and less prone to interference. Pay attention to your upload speed. You're not just receiving tasks, you're sending back results and proofs. Every minute your node is offline is a minute you're not earning money, and, importantly, it can reduce your reputation score over time. Tip 4. Calculate your power-to-profit ratio. A powerful GPU consumes more electricity. Before investing, do a simple calculation. Look up your local electricity price in your currency per kWh and the power consumption, TDP, of your hardware. You need to ensure your potential Hyra earnings exceed your electricity costs. For most users in the US and Europe, it will be profitable, but this is a calculation every serious operator must make. Chapter 4. Strategic Operation. Running your node like a pro. Hardware is only half the battle. How you manage your node daily makes a big difference. Tip 5. Achieve maximum uptime. Use a UPS. Uninterruptible power supply. A minor power outage can take your node offline. A UPS is a small battery backup that gives your system enough time to survive short power interruptions. Disable sleep hibernation modes. Go into your PC or Mac power settings and ensure it is set to never sleep. A sleeping node is an offline node. Set up remote access. Use tools like Chrome Remote Desktop or TeamViewer to check your node's status from your phone or laptop when you're not at home. Tip 6. Always stay updated. The Hyra development team regularly releases updates for the node software. These updates often include performance improvements, security patches, and better efficiency. Always run the latest version to maximize your performance and security. Tip 7. Staking strategy. The network requires a minimum stake to activate a node. However, consider staking more than the minimum. YT 1T, a larger stake acts as a bigger collateral, signaling to the network that you are a serious, committed participant. While the exact algorithm is complex, a higher stake can positively influence your reputation score, potentially qualifying you for higher-value enterprise-level tasks that require greater trust. Chapter 5. Long-term vision. Beyond daily income. The tips we've discussed will help you maximize your daily Hyra rewards. But becoming a professional node operator is also about long-term vision. You're not just renting out your hardware. You're accumulating equity in the form of Hyra tokens in a foundational infrastructure of Web3. The rewards you earn today are a vote of confidence in the network's future growth. Moreover, as the Hyra ecosystem matures and transitions to a fully decentralized DAO, active high-reputation node operators will likely have a significant voice in shaping the protocol's future. You're not just a network worker, you are a stakeholder and a future governor. Chapter 6. Conclusion and Community Engagement. So, let's recap the pillars of profitable node operation. 1. Smart hardware selection. Prioritize your GPU, but ensure a balanced system. 2. Excellent operation. Maximize uptime and stay updated. 3. Strategic staking. Understand your stake's role as a trust signal. Running a node is a journey of continuous learning and optimization, and the best way to learn is together. This is a community effort. Share your own optimization tips in the comments below. What hardware are you using? Which strategies have worked for you? Let's help each other maximize our contributions and rewards. And if this advanced guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we will do a direct comparison of the profitability of running a Hyra node on different hardware types. You won't want to miss that data. Thank you for watching and wishing you great earnings.